Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have a double unboxing, as we can see from Festina. So Festina is a brand I had a lot in the past, tried out, and yeah, a lot of my viewers wanted to see more of Festina watches. So here we have two watches. First reference F204456, and the other one is the 806223. So let's start with the right one. So here we have a chronograph with a stainless steel bracelet. So as we can see, some stickers on the watch and on the bracelet as well. We have here, so as you can see, it's quartz. You get the box, you get a stainless steel case, and let me take the crown guard so you don't have any screw down crown. So this one, as you can see, has the look of a chronograph, but in actuality it is a date or 24 hours. So as you can see, on the 12 o'clock is the day of the month. Here is the day of the week. Here's the date of the month, and here is a 24 hours counter. So basically the chronograph look with no chronograph function. So if you do like this kind of stuff, bezel is also screwed on, which I don't like, but yeah, that's personal preference. Here on my 17 centimeter wrist, as you can see, it's actually very wearable with the size. I think it's a if I remember correctly, 44, but let me get the caliber to know for sure. So we have a 44 millimeters diameter. Lug to lug is around 50, if I remember correctly. And thickness is 12 with a lug width of 22. So, as you can see, it's sticking. The loom on this watch is also good. As you can see, we have two types of looms, loom pip and on the hands. So green loom all over, so it's one type of loom. Just the blue shade on the indices on the hand give you the impression that it's a different kind, but it's the same. So this watch costs 89 euros, which I think it's actually good money for the price. And yeah, I just let me look at the other one first. So maybe we'll put this on the side and look on the other one first before we pass on judgment. So this one is a real chronograph and almost the same size, almost everything the same. Oh, they sent me two wrong watches. So this is the same watch basically with a different configuration. I thought this was a chronograph. So basically you have two watches with date 24-hour function, either with a loom bezel on the crown or without a loom bezel. Here the bezel is also fixed. Let me take this off. Here also we have loom on the indices on the hand. The size is a bit larger, so this one is 44, but the lug width is still 52. Thickness 14, so it's a bit larger. So if you like larger watches, I would recommend this one. I'll leave all the... This actually looks not bad at all. The bracelet feels also much more, even though it's, as you can see, folded here as well. But this one feels much better than this one. But both are rattly bracelets. But anyways, yeah, I think there are good offerings from Festina. This one is also 89 euros. So basically you have two watches with 89 euros that are much better than a lot of the fashion watches. They look like chronographs, but they are fully functioning calendar watches, quartz watches for that matter. So you're getting, let's say if you're not a watch person, you can get an office watch or a beater watch that looks really more expensive than it is. If you put it on a blue strap or a black strap, I think it will look really nice as well. Anyways, that's about it for this double unboxing. If you do like this kind of content, I will be sending these two back. I'm not going to keep them. Not my taste, to be honest. I just wanted to show everybody what options you can get for under 100 euros. These are 89 and 89. So basically around $90 as well. So be sure to keep your eyes open for deals like that. And yeah, if you have any questions about this watch or any other watches, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.